Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to insert images into your web pages. And the last videos I've showed you how to add paragraphs, headings, and how to add an address link. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add images. So how can you insert an image into your web pages? So stick around as I'm going to show you. Okay, so firstly, images can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. So we use the img tag to insert an image into your web pages, and let me show you. For example, we can use the img tag. So here it is, the img. So remove that one out. So the source attribute specifies the URL, the web address of the image. Okay, so we let's go and find some images. So you can use this free website called pixel.com. It gives you free images, so you can access it. So let me open my folder. I already have one image here, so I'll be using this image to demonstrate this lesson. So I'll be using this image. Let me say X, come back to your VS Code, and let's say my image is so you let's first, okay, sorry, go back to your folder, then click this image, and you need to know the properties. Click properties. So it's a JPG, so we call it image.abg. So save this file and go back and refresh your open your folder, then click this one to refresh your page. So here it is. As you can see, the image, it's inserted into our web page. So the img tag is empty and it only contains attributes, and it does not have a closing tag. So we can add some styling to this image by just, maybe let's say we can add a width. Let's give it a width of 500, and we add some height of 333. So if we save this and go back to your browser, refresh, so you can see now we sized our image. So you can also add the style attribute by just coming here and add style. You can remove this one. Sorry, let me just remove all this. So we can say style, then width, can give it like 500 again, then we add height of 333. So save this and refresh your browser, so let's try to add the increase the height and see what happens. Let's make it 400 maybe. Sorry. So now you can see we increase the height of this image. Let's try to increase the width also. Maybe put like 700 and see what happens. save. So make sure you save your file before you refresh your browser. And now you know how to insert an image into your website. So next we are going to talk about how about if your image is another folder. So let me remove that. Let's try to create a folder for images. So I just come here and create a folder for images. Now this is about images from another folder, okay? So let's name this folder images. Let me make it this capital because we have the same name. So I've so inside this folder I have my image. So in order to now if we save this and refresh our browser, you're not going to see any image. Now you're seeing the image disappeared. That's because we transferred it to another folder. So we need to define the folder first by adding the name of the folder, images slash, let me confirm if it's images, yes, images. So now go back to your browser and refresh, and you're going to see the image is going to display back. So that's how you can insert an image from another folder. So if you enjoyed this video, please stick around as I'm going to show you HTML tables, and also we're going to talk about lists, the ordered list and the unordered list. So make sure to watch the next video. Bye.